welcome back to another healthy keto eating show. And yes, I'm in the car on the go, so I'm sorry if the light keeps hitting me like this. The sun is glaring and it's beautiful out. But I just thought, I need a video for today for you guys, and I thought I would do an on-the-go meal. It is a Brat salad, but my brother Rob, who you all love, who's the keto expert, he calls it the Brat salad. So you can just go to any, gas station that sells brats or hot dogs, whichever one you like. And I added, boy, it's so bright on me. You add 2 brats or 2 hot dogs, whichever one you like. And then add onions. They got the diced up the onions. They got the lettuce, and then I got mayo and mustard. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 with the onion, about 5 carbs here. That's what you would have, about 5. The packs of mayo, I believe, has a carb too, so 5, 6, 7. I would say this is around 7 carbs, because you got to count the packs of mayo. They do have carbs in them when you buy them in the packs like that, because they're processed. So I think it's like 7 carbs here, but perfect on-the-go meal. Yes, it's going to be heavier fat, but remember, guys, sometimes on the go we have to do that. You may have a dirty keto day. You may be doing what I'm doing, alternate day fasting, so you can have this. You might be doing 24-hour fasting. You can have this. You might be in maintenance mode, and you can have this. So either way, once in a while is okay to do this. If you are trying to lose weight and trying to save on fat, you definitely wouldn't have this all the time. But you're going on a trip, or you're just out and you're hungry and you want to eat, right here. Perfect Brat salad. Like I said, my brother calls it that, even though it's Brat, it's spelled exactly the same. But so I'm going to do this video right here in the car with you guys, showing you on the go food. There's my husband. And it's so cheap. It was only a little over $3 for this. So not a bad deal. But so good, so yummy, so quick. And the only thing is, like I said, a little bit heavier fat. But remember, there's certain people that are in maintenance, or they're doing what I'm doing, or they're doing the one day, 1 meal a day, certain things like that, or you want to have a dirty keto day. So you can do it on a dirty also. So good. I love this Brat salad. Hope you guys can hear me okay, because I'm in the car. Haven't done a video like this before. That's okay. The windows can be down. I'm sure you guys can hear me. It's hot out, so I just don't want to roll the windows up and get hot. I suppose we could use the air, but it's so beautiful out. I want to enjoy the beautiful sun and everything. But anyways, how is everybody doing, and what are you guys eating? And like I said, I just want to show you guys what on-the-go meals are too. I don't always want to make you think you have to cook at home. You can eat out too. Plenty of restaurants. I should be doing videos at restaurants, but I don't know if I would want to do a video in a restaurant with people around. But I have showed you guys meals that I brought home from a restaurant, because we can't always cook at home. I am drinking. Piece of food came out of my mouth. I am drinking this bubbly, sparkly water, mango. Now, these are awesome because all that it is water and natural flavor, meaning there's no sweetness to this. So what you do is, I brought my Mayo with, and I squirted a squirt of Mayo in it, because that's the right sugar. Most of these waters that are flavored are made with what? Sucrose, or they're made with the aspartame. Some people can't have either one of those sugars. So buy these and flavor it with your own stevia at home. The squirt stevia, I just squirted 1 squirt in here. It's bubbly, so it's got the fizz in it, and it's a flavored water. It's awesome. It's flavored with stevia. So that's what I'm drinking tonight. Like I said, on the go meal. I got this from Walmart. Yum, so good. So yeah, this is not going to be a real long video, but you guys will still get a video, and you'll still get an idea. Just thought I don't want to skip a video for you guys, and we are out too late tonight that I didn't want to go home and cook. And I alternate day fast, so I stop eating at 8 o'clock. It is 7:21 right now, so I wouldn't have even had to go, had time to go home, cook, and get a video in before. Did you show them a big bite of that? Hope you guys can see that. Oh, there's the light. Wait, let me get a good picture. It's the sun that glares it. There's the onion, the mayo, the mustard, the lettuce. And mine is done on a, I'm doing the beef franks. I wanted the brats. They were out of the brats when I went there. Well, they had one. So, but you can do the brats too. They're going to be the same carb. Every brat or hot dog usually is 2 apiece. So this whole thing, like I said, was 7 carbs. It's going to be a little bit carbier, but again, save it for a day that you have carbs left, or you're doing what I'm doing, every other day eating. So, I hope you guys enjoy this. You guys are probably going to think, wow, she's never done a video in the car. And my husband happens to have that metal thing you set your phones up with because he is a food deliverer. So he needs his phone up there so he can look at addresses and stuff.
Yeah, and if I deliver to you, you better tip me.
I'll tip you, baby.
No, they probably...
Might not be money, though.
Come on, now. This is a Christian channel.
You're my husband.
No, I know. They probably want to see the downtown area and, like, the river and stuff instead of watching you. We should, like, flip it over. So they can watch that.
No, this is a food video. They want to see my food.
They don't want to see someone eat. They want to see this awesome downtown area.
I actually will show you guys sometime where I live.
It's bustling.
It's beautiful here. Obviously, I'm not going to say the city. You guys know I live in Minnesota.
Yeah, because there will be a killer after you.
Yeah. You never tell people exactly where you live, but I live in Minnesota.
It's humming downtown, man. We should show them. We should flip it around.
Can't, honey. While I'm doing it, I'd have to stop it.
There's a...
Look at how tan I look, you guys. Oh my gosh. Now you guys get to see the true tan. I did my live today. You can see I'm wearing the same outfit. I did my live, but you guys couldn't see how tan I was. Now you can. But yeah, I just wanted to get a video in and thought, it's getting so late. What could I have to eat for dinner? And then I thought, you know what? Oh my gosh, I could make a video right in the car. So I get to show you guys an on-the-go meal in the car. Doesn't that look good? Yum.
Can you,
So you guys not only get an oatmeal, and I've showed you some oatmeals, but you get me in the car.
Yeah, we're dining out tonight.
Yeah, really dining out. Last bite, you guys. Whoops. Last bite. I can't get it to stay on the fork.
Hey, we gotta show them. You gotta show them what I had for dinner. You gotta show them. Ready?
Wait, this is not keto approved. Yes, my husband had castles tonight. But you know what, guys? You can't even have castles even without the bun. They are 3 carbs a piece for that little tiny piece of meat.
It's like Dylan.
And White Castles were always my favorite. So I thought, well, maybe I would do it without the bun. Well, it's crazy without the bun because, you know, you guys all know a White Castle. If you don't know White Castle, it's kind of like Crystals. A lot of people either have a White Castle or a Crystals, and that's what it would be like. The burgers are really thin. But anyways, I can't believe that they are 3 carbs a piece for that little bit of meat. Yeah, you can go to McDonald's and get a great big burger, or Wendy's, get a triple burger, and it's no carb, except for the cheese or the lettuce, whatever they put on it. But the meat doesn't have any, so I don't know what's in. They say White Castles are 100% beef. It can't be. I don't know what it is. Why they would be 3 carbs a piece. I have no idea, because they do say that it is 100% beef. I have no idea why. Maybe it's the onions they add through it, because they add a lot of onions. But then again, even onions, the little tiny ones, wouldn't take a lot.
Shit, fool, I'll give you 100% beef.
So, but yeah, like I said, great idea. A brat salad, as my brother Rob would call it.
Yummy, 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 yummy brat salad. Let's eat some brat salad tonight.
Sorry, guys. As far as, I mean, you guys all know that Robbie loves, loves keto, and he's great and he's smart, and I've told you guys so much about him. But like I said, he told me about this one day, and he said, no, it's not called the brat salad. It's called, the brat salad. It's called the brat salad. So even though it's spelled exactly the same, he calls it the brat salad. But anyways, and the water, you guys, from Walmart, add a little bit of stevia in there to make it sweet, because it is not a sweet water unless you like it without the sweetener. These are pretty good. I like it. I got the mango one. It's the mango bubbly.
A lot of people walking down here tonight.
So, but anyways, my battery's going dead too. I know this was a really quick video for you guys, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. An on-the-go, in-the-car meal. Again, it's a higher fat, so just be careful with that. Hope you're learning a lot. Hope you got a lot of information from my live. Well, when you get this, I'm going to say my live yesterday. Hope you got a lot of information from that. And just remember, keto was designed 3 ways for losing, maintaining, and gaining. When you're losing, you want to use your high fat on your body as your high fat source. So go as low as fat as possible. When you're in maintenance mode, then you're going to do around 70%. If you're trying to gain weight, 70%, around 100, 120 grams of fat. If you're trying to gain, you would do like 180 to 200 grams. And I was taught by professionals. I myself am not professional, but I have a keto doctor that's professional, obviously. And I have 2 nutritionists that are professional keto, and then my brother Rob, who teaches this as a job. So just so you guys know, when I bring it to you, I bring it to you correctly. And I'm sorry this video is a little bit shorter, but hey, it's an on-the-go, in-the-car video. I figure you guys would like that and still get an idea for a healthy keto meal. So everybody, take care, God bless, and I will see each and every one of you in my very next upload. Love you guys. Hope you enjoyed this on-the-go car ride healthy keto meal. Have a great night, everyone. Gosh, I almost forgot to end my channel correctly because I'm in the car. If you are new to my channel, hit that big red subscribe button right there and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you are notified of all of these great videos and keto meals and, information I give. Share around my channel, please, so that you guys can help me help the world get healthy. And definitely shoot me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this on-the-go meal. And also, always, everybody, always what? Always remember to what? Keep it keto.
Angel.
What?
Hold on. I gotta pull over here. Hold on.
Why?
This way. Hey, baby, you should get some fries with that shake.
Good night, everyone.